Top 3 Travel Credit Cards That Pay for Your Flights and Hotels, 2025 Guide. Imagine booking flights and hotel stays not with your hard-earned cash but with rewards points earned simply by using the right credit card. In 2025, top travel credit cards offer generous welcome bonuses, ongoing rewards, and flexible redemption options that can cover thousands of dollars in travel expenses annually. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a once-a-year vacationer, these 3 credit cards stand out for turning your everyday purchases into free flights, hotel stays, upgrades, and more. Let's dive into the top 3 travel credit cards that pay for your flights and hotels, and how to make the most of them. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Registered Trademark Card. Credit Card Overview. The Chase Sapphire Preferred remains a fan favorite for travelers thanks to its valuable points, generous welcome bonus, and flexibility. It's the gold standard for travel rewards without the premium cost. Wrapped Present Welcome Bonus. 75,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards registered trademark points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Worth up to $937.50 when redeemed through Chase Travel. Money with Wings Rewards Structure. 5x points on travel booked through Chase Travel. 3x on dining, online grocery purchases, and select streaming services. 2x on all other travel expenses. 1x on everything else. Airplane travel and hotel redemption. Points are worth 25% more when redeemed for travel via Chase Travel. You can transfer points 1:1 to leading airline and hotel partners like United, Southwest, JetBlue, Hyatt, Marriott, IHG. Many users use points for round-trip flights, domestic and international, free nights at top-tier hotels, business class upgrades. Key travel perks. Trip cancellation/interruption insurance, up to $10,000 per trip. Primary car rental insurance. Baggage delay reimbursement. Travel assistance services. Money bag annual fee, $95. No foreign transaction fees. White heavy check mark best for travelers who want maximum flexibility with points. Those who prefer transferring to airline/hotel partners for extra value. People who want luxury-adjacent travel perks without the luxury annual fee. Left-pointing magnifying glass example travel value. 75,000 points could get you 2-3 round-trip flights within the US. 5+ nights at a Hyatt property. A one-way business class seat to Europe when transferred to Air France Flying Blue. 2. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. Credit Card Overview. The Capital One Venture Rewards Card is perfect for those who want simple, flat-rate rewards without sacrificing travel benefits. With 2x miles on everything, it's one of the easiest cards to use and it comes with premium travel coverage. Wrapped Present Welcome Bonus. 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Worth $750 toward travel purchases. Money with Wings Rewards Structure. 2x miles on every purchase. 5x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Airplane travel and hotel redemption. Use miles to erase past travel purchases. Flights, hotels, Airbnb, rental cars. Redeem through Capital One Travel for bookings. Transfer miles to 15+ travel partners, including Turkish Airlines, Avianca, Air Canada, British Airways, Wyndham Hotels. Key travel perks. 2 free visits per year to Capital One lounges or Plaza Premium lounges. Global entry or TSA PreCheck registered trademark application fee credit, $100 value. No foreign transaction fees. Money bag annual fee, $95. White heavy check mark best for travelers who prefer simplicity and flexibility. Those who want to erase travel purchases or book directly. Frequent flyers looking to leverage international partners for better redemption value. Left pointing magnifying glass example travel value. Use 75,000 miles to cover $750 in airline or hotel purchases. 3 nights at a boutique hotel or resort. 1 round trip to Europe using airline transfer partners. 3. American Express registered trademark Gold Card. Credit card overview. The Amex Gold Card is a premium travel and dining powerhouse that turns everyday spending into serious travel rewards. While it carries a higher fee than the others on this list, the rewards and perks can easily offset the cost, especially for frequent diners and travelers. Wrapped present welcome bonus. 60,000 membership rewards registered trademark points after spending $6,000 in the first 6 months. Worth up to $1,200 when transferred to travel partners. Money with Wings rewards structure. 4x points at restaurants worldwide. 4x points at US supermarkets, on up to $25,000/year. 3x on flights booked directly or via Amex Travel. 1x on everything else. Airplane travel and hotel redemption. Redeem points through Amex Travel for flights, hotels, or car rentals. Transfer points 1:1 to major travel partners. Delta, British Airways, Emirates, Air Canada. Hilton Honors, Marriott Bonvoy. Often better to transfer points for premium travel redemptions. Key travel perks. $100 airline fee credit, select carriers. $120 dining credit at Grubhub, Cheesecake Factory, and more. Car rental loss and damage insurance. Access to the hotel collection, with room upgrades and credits. Money bag annual fee, $250. No foreign transaction fees. White heavy check mark best for foodies who dine out frequently. Frequent flyers who want luxury travel experiences. Those looking to earn elite tier rewards through daily purchases. Left pointing magnifying glass example travel value. 60,000 Amex points can cover 1-2 round trip economy flights to Europe or Asia. 3-5 nights at a 4-star hotel through Amex Travel. One-way business class ticket using airline partners. Airplane bonus, tips to maximize your travel card. To fully unlock flights and hotel stays paid by your credit card, follow these optimization tips. 1. Always earn the welcome bonus. These bonuses are often worth $600 $1,200 alone. Be sure you can hit the minimum spend without overspending. 2. Use every category bonus. 3x or 5x multipliers can add up fast if you match spending habits to the right card. 3. Transfer points for maximum value. While direct bookings offer convenience, transferring to partners often delivers the highest redemption value, especially for international flights and luxury hotels. 4. Leverage travel protections. Trip insurance, delayed baggage coverage, and rental car coverage are often underrated perks that can save you hundreds. 5. Stack offers with loyalty programs. Pair your credit card points with frequent flyer or hotel loyalty programs, e.g., Marriott Bonvoy, United Mileage Plus, for upgrades and elite status. Bullseye: who should get which card? White heavy check mark Chase Sapphire preferred. Best for beginners and savvy travelers who want a mix of flexibility and value. Low fee, excellent travel protections. White heavy check mark Capital One Venture. Best for set it and forget it users who want to earn 2x on everything and redeem miles with no fuss. Strong perks for international travelers. White heavy check mark Amex Gold. Best for high spenders on food and travel who want premium experiences and don't mind a higher fee for greater rewards. Checkered flag final thoughts. The right travel credit card can do more than just save you money, it can open the door to experiences you never thought you could afford. Whether you're chasing a luxury escape, a family vacation, or spontaneous weekend getaways, the cards above are your ticket to flights and hotels paid by your everyday spending. With the right habits and smart use of rewards, you can easily earn hundreds or even thousands in free travel each year. Start with the card that matches your lifestyle, Hit that bonus, and let your points take flight. Airplane.